Lady narrates how her and twins brothers fell in love, married, and have a child together. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Thank you for coming back again and again. So my new subscriber, you are highly welcome. God bless you guys. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and be part of this great family. My people, this life deep oh. E deep no be small thing. Agbondirin, my people, this life e no balance at all. E no balance. Well, my people, these two people wey una dey see so, they be twins, because I don see a lot of twins wey dey wear the same cloth, the same shoe, even say they don even grow to that adult, to that extent. Many twins like that, they wear the same thing. No be these two people, my people, these two people, they come fall in love with their self. As they even fall in love, my people, their parents come disown them, say abba, what una dey do so na abomination. It's against the law, it's against the land. These two people, they no see here. As their parents talk, the society wey the community, my people, they talk. These people, they no hear. Now the parents can't drive these two people away oh. As they disown them, these two people, my people, they disown them. Not be say okay, make dem still get sense, make dem quit for there. Say their parents don disown them, say because of wetin dem dey do. These two people, they still carry on their stupid love. I don't know where brother and sister, they say they be brother and sister. Not be say they be brother and sister, they be twins. They be twins, my people. Now these people, they start to the then they comot for the community where they dey. Then they go another community, they can't even marry. Oh my god, they can't even marry, born pikin, my people. My question wetin me wan ask, I believe that maybe the time wey the mother give birth to these twins in the hospital, I believe say they change one, my people, because they change one. If they no change one, I no believe say twins wey dey come from the same womb, the same day, they go love theirself. No, they still love, but not to that extent. You come dey, you and your twins brother, your twin sister, una come dey do kelewa, una come even marry, have born pikin. My people, there's something that is wrong in that something. Where I will just put the video, make una watch the video. I'll come back again. Come back again. Una see the time wey dem dey small and when they don see grow. I go put the rest of the video, make una watch. I just want chook mouth inside this matter, because as I talk before, my people, these two people, I'm not sure say they be twins. I'm not sure. There's something that went wrong in that day, the day when their mother give birth to them. Because it's why they waka, my people. I never see this kind to say twins, brothers and sisters, they go fall in love, not to that, they'll go fall in love to that extent, they'll come marry, they'll come even born pikin, my people. I dey see a lot of twins. They do things together, everything. They do things together, many things. If they want even go hard, they do everything together, maybe runs or whatever. But to that extent, because say brother and sister like this, twins, when they come out from the same womb, the same day, they'll come fall in love, they'll come marry, they'll come born, my people. This one is just against human being. Abba, I never see this kind thing before. Upon not waiting their parents talk, their parents disown these two people. Even the day of their marriage, no of member of their family went to that marriage. Even their parents, nobody go, because that kind thing, my people, I never see that kind thing before in my life. As I still talk before, there's something that went wrong. There's something that is not fetching well in that twins body, because how can a brother and sisters the same audio and ovoka kind day and I don't forget the other name, how they'll just love themselves to that extent they can't even born pikin, my people. Can't you see that there's something that is not fetching well with these two people? I believe say they have mental problem, because two people cannot just love themselves like that. Twins, now twins they be. Oh my God. Ha! Now wow, my people, this life something things dey this life oh. Things. Okay, may I put the other part of the video make una watch am. I will still come back again, come still put my mouth inside this matter. My people, I think I don't see the video. That small child, now that one I be the child where they born for inside that relationship, where they claim say now that one I be the love, because according to the lady for inside, he say two of them they find love, that they are soulmates. Say since when they small, now all those things start, all this affect, all this the love start when they small. Say because when they come they grow, they come she come really know say, and the boy come know say they be soulmate, they are made for each other. Hey my God, which kind made for each other, wey they be twins, brothers and sisters for Christ's sake. My people, this thing I never even see am since I dey waka for my life. I never see this kind thing wey twins brother like this, Ojo and Onwoka, they fall in love to themselves. They'll go to that extent, they'll go even marry themselves, can't even born pikin. That pikin wey they even born inside that relationship now, my people, how the pikin want to identify two of them now? My uncle abi or nephew, I don't even know how the pikin, the small pikin wey dey born for inside this relationship, how you want to identify the parents. Now wow, all those children, my people, all those twins, hey, whether they be evil pikin, I no even know as I go even talk am, because I never see two brothers and sisters they go marry themselves, twins for that matter, my people. And according to two of them when they interview them, they say they love themselves, say they are in love, say because they know that it's God that my oh God, let your name be praised forever. Any small thing they'll say na you, any small thing na you. God can never join that two people together, my people, because if it's against the law self, or even Bible self. How can God join two of them together? According to how he said, not be God, now God of Mammon, I join two of them together. Because I never see where twins brother they love themselves to that extent, they can't even born pikin for inside the relationship. Well, my people, Agbondirin, as I talked before, leave your comment in the comment section down below. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.